Hey there, it's Emily with Robuck Homes, and I'm so excited to show you one of our stunning townhome floor plans, the Juniper. And tooting a spacious 2-car garage. Let's take a look inside. We're downstairs right now in this beautiful open concept home. You have your dining area where you can eat together as a family, your living area where you socialize together, and then you walk into this gorgeous open concept kitchen where you can prepare your meals, eat your breakfast, eat your snacks. The sky's the limit right here. So now we're upstairs, and all of our bedrooms are on the second floor in this particular townhome. But the real star of the show, in my opinion, is this loft area in our townhomes. It's dual purpose. You can utilize it as an office, you can utilize it as a game area, homework area. The sky is really the limit.